Welcome back to Womanby Street. This is the English video. The Welsh video should be up as well. First of all, thank you everybody. Diolch pawb who's like or shared, commented on any social media sort of type thing and joined the Twitch live stream earlier of the tour. I will be putting like a highlight video of that up, of the actual like going more in depth and stuff into the building. And I'll be putting the highlight tour of St David's Day stream as well, where I tend to like stream more the building on Twitch. But I did start doing tours, but it's an experiment, just like everything. It's an ymprofiad. So yeah, welcome, Croeso. So today I'll be giving you a little tour of Tiny Rebel, or Urban Tap House is one called. Tiny Rebel is a brewery in just outside of Newport. Welsh brewery. They've also got a space a bar in Newport called Tiny Rebel Newport. There's Tiny Rebel Cardiff. Used to be called Urban Tap House at one point. Here we have bouncers. You have Tex and Martin. So this took maybe about 20 hours interior, and probably about 30 hours altogether. So as a disclosure, as like everything is in Minecraft, this is Minecraft Bedrock, so I've tried to get as much detail as I can. I do apologise if, sometimes things don't work. Minecraft get half slabs to work with different half slabs. Please, Mojan, please, for ceilings. So yeah, so welcome to Tiny Rebel. Let's go in for a pint. So this is the main room. This is an arcade machine. Like some fridges with some chains on them. This is like a really cool artwork. I should have researched the name. But an artist, they've got like a Tiny Rebel of a certain brand, which is a bear and a hoodie. But like this like kind of like off like I wouldn't say like cityscape like arty style one. Some more fridges with like bottles cages on. Got the bar. These are like bottle fridges. This is like follow them on Instagram, social medias, all the social medias. This is a really cool system they got, which is like a telly, which shows you like what porters, stouts, ciders they got on, how much it is, flavours and stuff. It's really handy. Use it set for chalkboards. Some bar stools, band posters and informational posters. I think it's like an air duct thing. I tried to get like a different colour scheme with like these are iron traps. This is a foo bar, which is one of their beers, which the little cityscape. They have like t-shirts for sale. This is amalgamation. I haven't been to Tiny Rebel for about 2 years, about a year and a half, 2 years, so some things might be a bit different. Sometimes amalgamation of the looks they've had over the years. Here we've got beer badges that are coming soon. It's like little Tiny Rebel like big bottle cap. I tried to get like a metal shelf look with the fences. Sorry, words. Then this is meant to be like some wood paneling going across here. Just logs. This in real life is a really cool the Tiny Rebel logo, the hoodie, the bear in the hoodie with like lots of bottle caps and artwork around it. Obviously, Minecraft Bedrock. This is also really cool in real life. They've got a beers of the world. So you'd have like a pint glass here and you've got like German ale, German lager, how it all connects to stouts, lagers, mild ale, Belgian French ale, all the way to box, saisons, pilsners and all that sort of goodness. This is a wonderful piece of art and it's so cool, it's so freaking talented, by Ed Up Art. He used to work for Tiny Rebel and did like, there's an Art Nouveau Mucha style like hops lady here and it's really cool. He's recently just updated his Etsy, I believe, 31st March, and we'll have like some more pottery because he's based in mid Wales doing pottery, so he's got an Etsy there. I will link everything to his Instagram stuff down below. So toilets, and you got upstairs, you got bar and couch and toilets. Then here you've got bike rack, which is so freaking handy to have in a pub. Here you've got, I just kind of put this as filler because working in a bar kind of makes sense to use as much space as you have, so you just got outside furniture. Then this is like where you would be going on to Westgate Street in real life. Then you got the back room, which is used for like music nights. Focus. Camera's gone weird. Music nights. These are like band posters, arcade machines. I believe the piano's still there. It was there before. You just got kind of tables. These are all like band posters. It's got a little section here called like your art here, where you can put your artwork. At one point, section this was all open and you could see up to the top, to the artwork up top, which I'll show in a second. You got like a little projector there for like rugby days and sports and stuff. And I think we'll head upstairs. So upstairs, they've got pictures of like old Cardiff pictures up here. These, I think there's a mirror, but I couldn't get a lot of bedrock. Couldn't get a lot of depth and stuff as much as I wanted to. We'll work our way this way, so we'll go to the toilets first. The ladies, there's like signing posters, so you'd have like signing sheets saying like when the toilet was cleaned and stuff in this area. Just sinks and stuff. I'm not sure if it's in the men's or the ladies. You've got like X-Men posters. Oh, I forgot actually. I'll do that in a second. Gents. Oh, also big thank you to Double D's Hot Sauce for like helping with some of these areas where I wasn't so keen, wasn't so familiar with. Double D is an amazing human being. Does the most amazing hot sauce. I believe they are all vegan, or most of them are vegan, and there's a hot sauce that's tasty, not too hot, a little bit of kick. Nobody sponsored Tiny Rebel and Ed and Double D don't sponsor this, but they're just amazing people who have helped or that I know. Also Chelsea Innes, who does Kinggypsycrochet, she has an Etsy and does a lot of like zero waste stuff as well. It's just I will post the links down below for all of their Etsys and Instagrams. So yeah. And in the diagram show, this is storage, but it kind of goes straight that way. But I've had to do this because of the complication here. It doesn't quite work. I forgot to show you the disabled toilets downstairs, but we'll do that last on the way out. So here we've got Cutch and Pride Bar, which both these are like areas that you can rent. I know Rules of Play, which is another wonderful company in Cardiff. They do board games. They do board games that you can they deliver now during COVID. But they're a wonderful company. They do nights, well, board games nights where you can just pay £5 and play random games and sort of rent them out for the night, and then you can have a taste. Is a good way to, board games can be expensive, so it's a good way to test the water, so to speak. This is the Cutch. There's two photos of the Cutch I saw. One was with sofas, one was like tall bar stools. Kind of a mixture of both because this didn't look really right in here on its own. We've got like a little mirror here. You can see Hunsby car park. And this is another private little bar area. I really like these lights, the way they've done real life. Real life, these like shelves are lit up as well. You can see past Millennium Stadium. Here's the beer hall. Now the beer hall is kind of more creative. So I don't really know what this will look like, so I've taken creative liberty. There's like artwork here as well, of like just a brewing process. This is the kitchen past there. A lot of food gets passed by. So where this like beam is, this used to be all open. At one point you could see through, back in the days of Urban Top House. But it's a multi-purpose space, so you kind of rent it out, like I said, for board games and stuff. But all these sheds can go back, and you have like gigs, dance. They have like dance halls and like dance classes and stuff here. It's a very versatile space. So yeah, I tried to make a drum set in Minecraft, or I tried my best at least. Oh, there you go. Hold on, sorry, camera. I love this wall because this wall is I'm not sure who painted this. I'm not sure if it's Ed or somebody else, but it's Tiny Rebel's Guide to Brewing. shows you like little cool little way like how the mash tin gets done, the cooling, the fermenting and the conditioning. So I tried to replicate that as much as I could. This is another Art Nouveau piece up here. And then we will go to the staff bit now. So the staff bit, this is back downstairs, so we won't go up this way. So yeah, thank you so much to I miss you, you're an amazing human being. This is like a room to the attic, storage wise. There's not much to see, this is just kind of like, might put some more stuff in there, not sure. There's still some stuff I might add things. This is staff room, there's some lockers, notes like rotors, handovers, that sort of stuff. Coffee machine or tea or kettle, because you need caffeine for staff. Office, safe for both floats from both bars. Like health and safety books, licensing, that sort of stuff. Just like, why is that there? Apologies. Like documents and stuff in here. Then you have the kitchen. So this will be like more health and safety. You'll have like different health and safety stuff for the kitchen, little notices and stuff. Sink, countertops, small countertops, kind of fryers, like kind of lava and cauldron, ovens, a distractor fan for like the smoke. Yeah, these are meant to replicate like orders. Sorry. So it's like table 18, corn dogs, table 19, toy sofu, like burgers and stuff like that. And this is the pass. So yeah, tried to get it as close as I could. And some areas I have taken creative liberties. So this is the staircase that goes down to the cellar. So we have the cellar here. It's bigger in real life, but bedrock I couldn't build more than that. This is another little staff bit. This is kind of like the, so I put like little notes, like the tray, delivery days, glass washer. So this is kind of like, you come out here, access. So this is like some immediate stock, like quick little bottles to grab. Shelves for like where the glass gets dried. Like you can get like special glass drying shelves. Fire exit, I put just like a little green button. Then here you've got empty barrels, so a tray gets delivered and taken, and just on the back onto Womanby Street then that way. Let's close that, and then I'll show you the disabled toilet. I think that's it. It's neat. I think there's little touches I think I could do, but apart from that, it's mostly done. So go back here, and a little sink there. You got disabled toilet. Just standard, but yeah, this was really fun to build. I forgot how many elements there were, in all honesty, but it was quite fun. It was quite fun to build. Thank everybody, like I said, for who's shared anything, liked anything. I still got a few builds to build. I'm in the process of building seat arms at the moment. And club's taking a bit longer. There'll be a video bootlegger. There'll be an update on the street. But yeah, this was much fun. Sorry, but there's still a lot. I still got a few things planned as well, so watch out. Still with Castle Emporium and Minty's Geek Guide, so there'll be more news updated on that. But thank you for watching, as always. Stay safe. I do build more on Twitch, so every Monday 7 o'clock. So yeah, I'll post more little videos, and I'll post more like completed videos here. So yeah, thank you for watching. Diolch yn fawr. Hope you guys stay safe, and I shall see you next time.